Catch me. Me not say no catch me. Me not tell you. Mix up boss, my ball. My ball. My sister Angel can't tell you. My ball. My ball. Literally. It stress me out.
A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. It's a wonderful morning. It's a beautiful day for some people in Jamaica. But for some, it's regrets and disappointment. Alright, so guys, first and foremost, put a like on the video, leave a comment, and as usual, I always ask on which part I give a credit, but I'm not going to ask on yet, but I feel like giving away $1,000 credit this morning, courtesy of my lovely subscribers. Today we're going to talk about the H2B visa program. Alright, I know a lot of you familiar with that. It's a little visa where you fly out and you can do little hotel work, for skills and unskilled workers, and I can't read it up. But anyway, my friend here, somebody reach out to her and tell her say she have a link where she can obtain a visa and fly out. You understand? So anyway, people in Jamaica struggle, so them say, all right, then I could take a chance. So she borrow up a heap of money from family members, and to her surprise, this was our experience. Drive with me and listen.
Good afternoon. On May 27th, which is last week Saturday, I was in my parish at a restaurant. So I have this friend, she travel, but she's in Jamaica right now. But she always wants to be able to go in the US to work legally. But she always encourage me, say me must look about my visa and so forth. But anyway, she got a number. So when she phoned the number was a man behind the number was Mr. Devin Campbell. I don't know if it is his right name or what. But him says that he's an agency working for it with H2B program where him do recruiting, so them need 7 persons because 7 come down, so him need 7 more to send up. So the lady say, me and my sister, cause she call me sister, so she write down my name and write down for her name. Anyway, during the process, after all of that, him call her and say he want passport number, TRA number, NIS number, birth paper number. Produce all of them there. Then he call again and say he want pant size, skirt size, and blouse size because the program will require uniform, and the 7 of us have to go wear uniform to go by the embassy. Before we pay the $30,000, none of we never have no money. I never have no money. Me borrow the money from my family member, and she borrow for her one also. We end up with 2 we get the money, and we go to the machine. When we got the machine in call, and him call constantly and I say, if we reach on a machine yet, the first machine we reached was in Yallas, but the machine in Yallas wasn't working, so we come Marant Bay. So we go Marant Bay now, in call and he say we should do a JN, got the JN, because JN machine, them have this thing where you call it e-deposit, where you just cardless e-deposit, you just go press the transaction where you do, you don't have to use no card. So anyway, the NCB number when give way, instead of bother use that, in send one different number, which is a JN account number in send. Anyway, we make the deposit and we get the receipt. So upon getting the receipt, that a Saturday night, rain a fall, will come up. Because everybody, some people maybe say we're stupid, but at the end of the day, everybody look opportunity for work. Being the fact we live in Jamaica, you don't know the work things there. And then when him tell we, based upon when him tell we the procedure and the process, when me call my friend and ask her, cause my friend gone up on a H2B program, I said to her, say, well, you have to pay money for visa. She said yes, you have to pay. She paid $34,000 in all, but she never break it down to me the $34,000 for. So she said, a good opportunity that man, see if you get the money borrow. So we pay that and that done. When we reach home now, we get a call again from him. So we need to pay $70,000. But the $70,000 must pay immediately Saturday night because it have to go up on the file. Cause Monday morning early we have to meet him at town to go at the doctor for do medical and police record. We never have no money, so my sister said to her, say to him, sir, we don't have that kind of money, cause you know we borrow the money and something. And he must say, yeah, me know, but see if you can get it borrow again, you know, my husband just come from work with all our money when he come from work, and my husband is a higgler in selling at the market. And he said to me, babes, me I go gamble with you because if it come true, it better for me and it better for you. Remember, my friend I have no money. I'm a friend but we call one another sister. She don't have no money. So my niece did that. My niece said, tell him you no have the 70,000. Tell him a 60 you no have. So we call him back and we say, we don't have the 70,000 or 60 we have. So he said, alright then, we stand 10, the 10. Anyway, the man count out the money and give it. And me and her go and we pay the money. Anyway, we come back and he phone. When he phone, he said we don't have no more money to pay. We fit just go and meet and greet with family them and something, and he might ask to say if none of we have a tattoo. Me say, yeah, me have a tattoo. So he say, visible? So me say, no, it's not visible. So he say, it's not the your breast or nowhere. And when you go to embassy, you see, if you have in tongue ring, you have to take it out. So I say, what about my wedding band? Can I wear a wedding band? He say, yes, your wedding band can wear. And me I beg you to do. It's when time to go over there, me no want to run off. Cause enough people use the opportunity and go over there and then run off and then come back. Please don't make me shame. Me tell you how convincing the man was. Him say when time to reach over there to Florida, our bus I go pick him up and the bus I go carry him around. And he said, stick a pin. That was the exact words he said. Stick a pin. He says for the room them. Every person get a room by themselves. Some sister said, no man, my sister will share one room then. He said, he might carry one paper can give you now for stick off and for sign up with the type of food then what we eat and what we don't eat. And we say, okay then. So upon that time now, he call back again and he must say, when time the bus pick you up, it about carrying around for go tour the place. Please me I beg you to read the sign them because the bus only go carry on go work and carry on back from work. What if you no want to go up on the road? If you go look something for eat or so, you have to do mark the sign them or you have to go use one thing we call cabby. That was the exact word he said. So we say, okay then. Alright, we did it again. He call back again and say, we forgot to ask him about no medical history. We no travel with no sickness, so we both of us say no. So he said, we no have medication taken, and we say yes. So he said, alright then, we can carry no medication then, because when we reach over there, we no go have the social security number, we no can go a doctor over there and something to get back on a prescription. So we can carry no meds them we have. And when we reach airport, the flight, £50. Anything over, I have to go dash or we have to go pay for. And we say, alright then. So Sunday morning now, we there. That was Saturday night, Sunday morning, me there home and the lady called me and say, you know, he called me again, but she don't live far from me, so me and my husband get up and we say, we are calling link you. So we go down there in call him back and say, see my sister here, tell her what you did that tell me. Hear the man now. Good morning, miss. A flight gonna come in tomorrow, which is the Monday, but you guys have to go pay 500 US each because it is a charter flight and we have to go pay for a ticket. And then when time we reach over there, the company are gonna give you back with money and something. So my husband take the phone and say, alright then, cause them now have no more money. Me have the money can lend them, but here how this a go. Them now go deposit no more money on our machine because Being the fact, them pay 120 already, 120,000, that are 60 from me and 60 from the next lady. Being the fact, no, my husband have no more money, you know. No more money, you know, but he just said that for hear what I'm going to say. So he said, alright, me have a vehicle, me I go drive, being the fact say I come to St. Thomas, can I say I come to St. Thomas, if come drop off uniform and then something there, to go back to Linstead. So my husband say, alright then, we are going to meet you and we are going to give you the money. And then the man start, give you money, and start blaze up. So I say, something not right or so. So come now, Mr. Job, so some husband said to him, say, me get scam already with that same something here. But the only difference is, me did go face to face to the man. And then when we find out, the man have to get locked up and me have to go to court to get back my money. We now let go no more money until we see who I get with money. And he start going and think me a thief. So me go say, a thief never say them a thief. And you attack and we attack. Obviously we don't have nothing for you, but you have something for me because you are full with money. And he start going and he cuss and he start talk up himself and I say, he now make him lose other people lose their opportunity. And if he think say we want him to pay the money for we to buy a ticket, and so we say nobody no say we want to pay the money, but up until this point we don't see what we pay for. And he hang up in phone. So me say alright then, he now go call back. The Monday morning now we got the station and we report it at the station and then take a statement. So the police officer say we not fi block him or nothing yet. Or get angry upon him yet. Keep him calm saying because he might just slip one at a time and fi tell the location, because when we deposit the money a name come out on the receipt with the account number. After putting the account number, as they can see on the receipt when I send you, and name come out on there. So we just there, and he not call my phone because he don't like talk to me. Cause true when him a talk, and me say, listen to me, cause you a talk and me a talk too. So you can't say something and me can't say something because you have something for me not have nothing for you. So he don't really like talk to me. So when he call the lady phone now, the lady said to him, say, sir, we need a refund. So he said, yes, he might put it in. So it will take 4 to 5 days. So asking what company he work with now, he said, Hilton's recruiting company. So I'm going to go up on Google now and type it in. I see where Hilton's put up a disclaimer, a fraudulent disclaimer, where like persons, where use their name, or take people money so they might recruit for workers and something. So me I say, if me did see that before, instead of me just take this Florida story where he say, me would know, say, it's a scam. But this is an eye opener for me. I know say me have money to pay back to my family member. But this is an eye opener for me. And me not like, my friend I take it rough because she say she are the cause, like she tell me about it. But at the end of the day, me not blame her. Cause if it did go through, me would thank her very much. So I tell her, so we not this together because we don't let go the money together. So it's not like say she did go to the go deposit for her money and then me go after. The two are we foot to foot. You understand? But when me I say the number probably, I'm just saying this, the number, because we know so digital, whenever a person have a number and the number they no longer in use, them sell it out to someone else. Maybe he have other people where might do the same thing too. No, maybe, because when you call the phone, that him tell you, him is a recruitment agency where he recruit people to send overseas on H2B program. So him now I use the number there which was maybe a previous agency number, but you people are call it now believe to say the number still in a process working. He might pretend to be and rob people. So me just tell other people my downfall, but this is a setback, but the comeback may be greater. But this is just an eye opener for everybody. Because when him go say we fi send back the check right for we get back with money, but they make an error on it of 200,000. So if we send 80,000 for we get back the 120, it's just more money you want to keep on and come to him, because guess what? You get them two money they will pay, you get them fast. You get them fast. But that will never happen to me again. I don't want nobody bash me and say we stupid or whatever. Because when time he might tell you, he might convince you. And when time I ask other people, I saw the process go. Because when they go on the H2B program, I must pick them up for true and carry them round before they start work and then something. They say, catch me. Me not saying no catch me. Me not tell you. Mix up boss, my ball, my sister Angel can tell you, my ball, literally. It stressed me out. But you see my husband, thank God for him, reading the facts of him money gone, he give me hopes. Cause I said to me, say, Ken, I know your life gone. My auntie when me owe, she call me, and me and her talk about it. She said, me are the first, you understand? And me no lose nothing, me no lose a hand, me no lose a foot, me no lose my life. Only thing me consider more about a certain information we have for me and my sister, but he don't have a photograph with us. Because in the tell we say if you take passport size picture time and go come collect them and then something, but he never get them. And just the information then we have for we, such as TRN number, with name, address, and NIS number. That them they alone he have for me, and my passport number, he have all of that for me. Cause me always want to me working on. I'm a self-employed person. But you know, everybody want to look opportunity if you go overseas for work. Whereas when you have a daughter who is smart in a school and you want the best for your daughter, you do anything in my situation. Because my daughter smart in a school, so we will try to move mountain just for constantly push the urge upon her for she know being a dropout and for look to know, you know, the other sides. Because when you have a 15-year-old daughter, you don't have a problem with her. You have to say thank God. When you see school record, when you go in a school and teacher and everybody I tell you say your daughter score high and whatever, you have to try. If you have a plan to make a house, we know say we can work in a Jamaica by a certain time to build a house. Foreign rough, yes, we know it rough, but there's a difference between they for their money and our money. So just ask if you share my story, please, so other people can be aware of this man, Mr. Campbell, that I go around and I scam people about farm work program.
John Star, boy, mama, I feel where you feel, but boy, I don't know if it's like, you look for better for you and your family and you try. You sound like a woman who willing. I when me hear you talk about your daughter, I know you're that try and she's a good girl, and you know, people want the opportunity. I may tell you guys, these are some things where if somebody if you do say them I go try go up on the program, they might think twice because of people like them, people. Yo, demand them find everywhere, every organization, everything where you can better yourself, man, them have scamming activity are going on tonight. Yo, me I tell her the struggle is real. A borrow, lady borrow money, you know. And so she go set herself and go find and work, you know. Yo, I know why wickedest part, the man I go tell her, say, in order for she get back her money, he make a mistake on the check. When he should have put 120, he put 200. She said if he send 80,000, like when I send it 200. Jesus, God in heaven. Lady. But I want to ask, the account, let me play one little style there. So the account where you send the money to, you could carry the name there and the police them work off of that hour. I mean, I understand why procedure. Guys, leave it in a comment when you think about the video and share it and make people be aware. Alright, soon in our next vlog. I'm out.